Well, good morning, everybody, on this chilly Tuesday morning. It's sub-freezing, but there's no wind, so wind chill is not a factor out there this morning. 31 at my location here in East Montgomery, 32 at the Montgomery Airport. I have other temperatures posted for you right there. Look at the Gulf Shore temperature. 31 degrees way down there. And just outside of our area, Tuscaloosa has 25 this morning. Well, we'll talk about the weather for the next few days, and I may need this heavy artillery again by early next week. Some of you saw a post I did yesterday that said, "Attention cold weather fans." We'll talk about a piece of cold air coming out of the Great Lakes and Midwest that looks pretty interesting. A lot of you have been waiting for me to say that, and you know who you are. So if you can stick with me for 2 minutes on this video, I'll tell you what I know, okay? Hey, here's just a snapshot of some 4 a.m. temperatures. I mean, already 30 at Mobile and 32 at Crestview and Dothan, and we'll sneak a little bit colder as we get towards dawn. So, it's a cold morning out there, and we'll have a little easterly breeze with sunshine today and a high probably only in the 40s. Next storm system developing in the southwestern U.S. We'll say 48 for a high today. Tonight slow down to about 28. Easterly winds at about 6 to 12 miles per hour today. So, in January, that's about 10 degrees colder than we ought to be. On Wednesday, we're looking at clouds increasing during the day tomorrow, but a dry day, but moisture surging out of the Gulf of Mexico ahead of the next storm system, which will bring in some showers by late Thursday into Thursday evening, but I don't even think there's going to be thunder. It's not going to be a big storm system, and it's out of here on Friday morning, maybe a leftover shower early, otherwise a dry day back in the 60s on Friday, 60s on Saturday, maybe some showers late in the day on Saturday. Another storm system moves in, but it's going to be in here and out of here. Actually, it's cold front number 1. Now, 51 is your high temperature tomorrow, 60% chance of showers by Thursday evening, 60s on Friday and Saturday, then turning colder by late Sunday. And this is the Sunday map. You see the blue on the map just north of the Alabama border? That's snow. Now, it's not going to snow here, but it gives you an idea of some of the cold coming in. And I've never shown you a map like this winter. That's a piece of colder air coming out of the Great Lakes, which will give Alabama a glancing blow, surging in here on Monday, a colder day Monday, windy and colder. And I hate to show you temperatures this far out because this will change, but I want to give you an idea. This is the European with high temperatures a week from today, mainly only around 40 degrees over much of the area. So that just gives you an idea of the kind of cold we're talking about. And it's not going to be in here long. It'll be in here for a couple of days before we start to moderate. Now, I'll show you this 16-day graph, which you're used to seeing. Temperatures into the 60s on Friday and Saturday, and then it shows the big cool down. But this model has no idea how cold we're talking. So let me show you another model. This is the European. And you can see the warm weekend. Look at the big drop from the weekend temperatures as we get into Monday and Tuesday. So it's just going to be fun to watch, and we'll update you on the numbers. Okay, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for your time. Have a great day today. We'll keep an eye on the weather for the next several days. January can be interesting. Have a nice one. See you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.